Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Google Drive to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Settings and navigate to the Connectors section. You should see Google Drive listed there. If it's not visible right away, click on Browse Connectors and search for Google Drive manually. Next, click on Connect next to Google Drive. You'll then be asked to choose the Google account you want to connect with Claude AI. After selecting your account, click Continue. Now you need to grant access permissions. Review the requested permissions carefully, then click Continue again to allow Claude AI to access your Google Drive files. Once the setup is complete, you should see the status change to Connected. After connecting your account, you can open a new chat in Claude AI. You'll notice a Google Drive option that allows Claude AI to access your documents directly. This makes it easier to work with Google Docs, Sheets, and PDFs without downloading and uploading files manually every time. So that's basically how you can connect Google Drive to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.